Hello guys, it's me Elise, and in today's video I'll be showing you guys how to fix the problem of iPhone 15, 13 or 14 draining battery on idle mode. So if your battery drains constantly even when it's idle or you're not using it, then this is the solution video for you. What I want you to do is go to your settings application first. Then I want you to scroll down to your battery. Then I want you to click on the I want you to see the battery usage by app. So you can see that my highest battery usage is from Instagram, Discord, and YouTube. So what I want you to do is go back, then tap on general, then tap on background app refresh, and want to turn off the application that had the most users. So Instagram and then Discord. So turn all of that off. So this will also ensure that your phone does not drain your battery when it's on idle mode. And next, what you want to do is go to your general, then scroll down to transfer or user iPhone, then click on erase all content and settings. This will also help to remove any unnecessary content that is refreshing in the background. So this is a quick and easy tutorial on how you can stop your battery draining on iPhone 15, 13 or 14. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions or comments, leave it on the drop box below. If you like this video, please be sure to like, comment, share and subscribe. It's me, Elise, and I'll see you on the next one.